David Attenborough is my hero.
He's brought such joy to so many people.
Love him.
You just feel incredibly blessed to have been alive at the same time.
I think he sums up what was best about the BBC throughout my life and still today. Serious programmes made for a popular audience, and his ability to communicate his own enthusiasms are very precious.
The message that I'm concerned about, which is about the health of the planet, is extremely urgent.
I think that the significance of him and his position and how he's championed, just things like that, we take for granted that now, that the reusable bottles and how much he really, brought it to people's attention. Climate change, I just think that he's used his kind of experience and knowledge to further what he is presenting, not just on TV, but kind of elsewhere. And I think it's really commendable and extraordinary, and that, I hope there's many more Attenboroughs out there who can take us forward.
We are now interfering with the natural world in such a wholesale way that we are risking the fertility of the world. We are risking the continued existence of this earth.
And his work will live on for decades, I'm certain. And I think it really shows you that people respond to care and effort. It's never unkind, it's never done with anything but an absolute care and passion for the subjects he's talking about, which really is planet Earth.
David Attenborough is my hero. I grew up watching every nature documentary on the BBC, and from Planet Earth to everything. I still play just the sound of his voice actually gives me so much comfort from my childhood, and I think he's done so much to educate us about the natural world. So happy birthday, David Attenborough. You're so inspiring, and I think he's amazing.
If we don't act now, it will be too late.
I think he's like a national treasure in every way. His voice is so comforting, but also the kind of effect he has and the knowledge he has and the amount of reach. The amount of people that watch all those shows and learn something from them is still so integral. I can't believe he's 100. Wow. I know everyone panics, don't they, if they ever see him trending. They're like, please still be here with us. So happy birthday, 100 years old. Oh my goodness, 100 years young. Yeah.
He reminds you of the love that we all sort of inherently have for our Earth and our planet and those living things on it, and how fortunate we are to cohabitate with all of this amazing life.
And I think the whole Attenborough, just the excitement over the large things in nature to the small things in nature, it really captures everybody's imagination, and I think that's been an incredible thing to witness and to observe, and to kind of, get my young people anyway, my children are fascinated by those documentaries.